Explosion tijd effect in Pielab Vita dark, cinematic volcanisch atmosfere. Ise adie black background with a simple smoke, as unfind red ambient lighting. Maak het 'n myn tyd bold ant metallet, veertiering a glossy black obsidian surface with a sharp reflectieve heglights. At brug het orange red, ant yellow molten crack spreading across the letters, creating the appearance of extreme internaliat. Built aan explosieve magma burst begin te typography using glowing lava fragments, sparks, embers and smoky particles. Apply strong inner glow, outer glow, realistic shadows, heglights, and slight motion blur to enhance depth and energy. Finesse with a contrast saturation sharpening, and cinematic color adjustments for a dramatic premium Pielab desigen.